calculate the functions in types, and we checked out concatenate text, convert currency, convert text to number, count related instances, date constant, date difference. These many types we are having. So these are all like how many we are having, like 33 types we are having. So I am going to check out how we are going to check this one by one calculated field. Suppose if I want to check out one calculated field text length. Suppose if my full name, I want to know how many characters in my text length. Full name text length I am going to create, and how I am going to use this one here. So if I am going to use a worker business object, I have to use it for this table only. So if my report is on worker table, so I have to create on the basis of worker, and the field I am going to use full name. So it is going to calculate how many characters in the full name it is going to calculate. So this field I am going to use in my report. Okay. In this one I am going to create, this is a full name. Here I want to add this field, full name text length. Okay. So if I am running this one, it will give the total count of the name entries. Full name, see here, there are 19 characters. Suppose if I am going to check out this one, Charlie Daniels or Camille Class or Victoria Sambo, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 characters. So it will give the text length. So this type we are going to check out. So yesterday we created like full name with concatenate text. So suppose this field, this is gender value and evaluate expression I am going to create. And suppose if I want to check out one more evaluate expression. So here evaluate expression means if else condition. This is one we checked out text length. Okay. Text length is one field, one type of. And next one is I just wanted to create evaluate expression. Evaluate expression. So here my requirement is who are in the age gap of 30 to 35 range, who are in the age 30 to 35, and who are in the age of 36 to 40. This is band, age band range. 36 to 40, and to 40 and 41 to 45. This is one age band. So for this age group, I want to pass a value called A range. A value I want to check out, and for this one I want to check out B value. I want to send it as C. So this way we can create a age band, and this is age band group. So what is the field we are going to use for this one? Create another calculation. I can create any type of field here, and my field is, see here, lookup range band. We are going to see here, lookup range band.
No, you said like 633 type of calculated fields we can use. I just want to know which are not in scope from calculated.
Which are
not in scope from calculated, which we cannot do from calculated field.
There is no restriction actually. So same field, arithmetic calculation is also available in Workday delivered fields, and we can create a customization for everything. So in total Workday system, we will see only these 33 types only.
Okay. Even these 33 types will be used in different way to extract data, like to create. Okay. There might be something which will be not in scope from this 33. Is there anything you came across?
Okay, yeah, at the time we have to go with the code, XSLT code we have to write.
Okay.
Yeah, suppose if my requirement is, yeah, according to yours, suppose my name is 123 and hash, and after that I'm going to mention one number, and after that I can use one. I can use different symbols here. So I need to check out if I want to get the data before delimiter. These are all the delimiters. If I want to pull the data before the delimiter, I can get this data. If I want to get the data after this delimiter, I can get ASD. But if I want to get 1, 2, 3, or if I want to get 3, 4, 5, I have to go through the code. There is some limitation for these fields also. I can get a delimiter field at the time of going to be a substring of text. I can get a substring of text also. So in that I can get the first value or middle value, but if there is a difference in the delimiters, then we have to go with the some coding, I have to remove after before this one and after this one. So the first delimiter is at the rate. After this at the rate, I have to consider the number 1, 2, 3, and I have to delimit at hash symbol. So in this type of requirement I can maintain in the code level. Okay. So calculated fields are not going to fulfill our requirement 100%. It only covers only 95% of our requirement, and the remaining 5% we can cover in the XSLT course.
Oh, okay.
So lookup range band I am going to create. So in this one I am going to check out for the TF worker age band. So when I am going to click on this one, you are going to get different type of templates every time. Different type of templates means if I am going to click on this one, it will ask for different values here. It is asking for the source field, it is asking for the decimal places, and when I am going to create a text constant, it is not going to be same what it is expecting from here. The calculation is going to be different from type to type. Suppose if I want to create another field, create calculator field. So if I want to suppose I want to pull a location of only San Francisco employees, then I am going to check out worker, and my location should be, I have to check the true or false condition, and my location is CF location is San Francisco. So I need to get this field, and I want to mention the location. This is the calculation is different here, and the calculation is different for the lookup range band. So these items are not available in this type of field. This is a true or false condition, and this is a lookup range band. That is the difference. So this location I want to mention in the selection list. I want to check out any type, like value from the specified filter, and the value is San Francisco. See here. So it is location, and this is also, I think, purpose. It is different. Location usage is different. Business asset. So I'm going to check out these many options. I want to pull the employees of San Francisco, and I can pull different type of locations here, and automatically this field is going to, if I'm using this field in the filter level, this is my field, and I just wanted to use in my report, custom report edit, and the filter condition I'm going to put it as, it is a true value. True value means I want to include, first I want to include the location here, whatever the field I created. Equal to, yes, only San Francisco field values are going to be, who are in the San Francisco, that employees are only going to be pulled out according to my requirement.
Yeah, Srinivasa, can you include the Harsha in the waiting?
edit custom report, and I am going to run this one. Here I am going to use 30 is the age group. I want to pull after 2018 there is no San Francisco employee. I want to pull before 2015. Let's see is get any employees. Only one employee is there, and the location is. In this way, I can maintain the city or location, and I can get the prompt value also from here. Prompt is how we are going to create, edit, and in the filter value, I am not going to give a static value. So at the time, I have to select the runtime value. At that moment, I have to go with this one in the selection list and the prompt the user for the value. Okay, and after this one, I have to enable the prompt here. I can click on this one to get the undefined prompt values. Automatically the location will be populated.